Just a quick video to highlight two user group meetings that are taking place. First, on Tuesday, August the 30th, on the Magliano's restaurant, there's going to be obviously snacks and drinks, and there are going to be some trivia questions with giveaways, and it's a good opportunity for all of us who likes QRita to get together, to know other people, to ask questions and team up. So it's a good opportunity. So considering going, if you are in the Tampa area, attending to this event on Tuesday. And then the next day in Atlanta, and here's the address. And I will provide both links in the video description of this video for you to register. These events are both free, of course. So if you want to get together, have some drinks, I've been honored to be invited to present on a short session on both events. So if you are in the area of either Tampa or Atlanta, consider joining us, and so we can meet you in person and spend some good time together.